Jess, and I'm here back again for another episode of Festive Fall Flavors. Got it. This week, we're gonna talk about yummy treats. It's my favorite.
I want sweets!
We're doing some baked apples, super simple, 3 ingredients, no time in the oven. I mean like no time. Girl, it was no time. There is time, but it was no time. Get it? Whatever. And some mulled wine and some spiced apple cider. Are you ready? Let's go. Why mulled wine? It makes your whole home smell super yummy. It tastes like fall because it has yummy fall seasonings in it. And it's wine. We're just gonna pour it. Wine. It's wine. People like it a lot. Like a lot.
I like it a lot.
Okay, it's time to make our mulled wine. It's super yummy and it's pretty easy. I put it in the crock pot, I let it go, and it's great for football Sundays.
Are you ready for football?
Hooray! So you're gonna put your cane sugar and your apple juice into a little pot, bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you're gonna get it a little bit cooler and add it into your wine. Here's the base of your drink. You're gonna take the wine. Oh yeah. You're gonna put in some cloves. And this is gonna be a little more spicy because it just is. Some ginger. I like it a little spicier, so we're gonna add a little double dose of ginger. Put in some nutmeg, tiny bit of cinnamon, whoop. And then we're gonna zest a couple of oranges. I don't know if you know what zest is. It's just getting the very outward layer of the orange. We're just gonna put that zest in there. Normally I do more, but not today. So here's my sachet that I'm gonna put blackberries. And you can put orange in there. You can put raspberries. I'm gonna put a strawberry in there. And I'm just gonna drop it in here and I'm gonna tie it around the handle. But let it cool down a little bit before you put it in the glasses. That would be a bad idea. Hello. Cheers! It's fall, you guys. Why spiced apple cider, you ask? Glad you asked, let me tell you. Because it's great for the whole family. It's like yummy, super duper applesauce. No, I always call apple juice applesauce. What is that? It smells like Christmas, so technically we're a little bit early, but why wait? It's delicious. My kids love it. And if you just want to have a little extra like kick, like hello, like just a little bit extra in it, you just heat up some brandy. That's right, I said heat it, and then put it in the cup. Oh, this is so tasty. It's just like a crock pot with apple juice in it with seasonings, and then you show up with brandy and everyone's like, what? And then you're like, yeah, like the stuff you used to watch adults drink. We get to have this now. Merry Christmas. Okay, so when you're picking out your apple juice, let me try that again without hitting my nose. When you're picking out your apple juice, please make sure to get the murky kind, the kind that doesn't have a see-through appearance. It's not transparent. It doesn't have to be organic, but definitely get the thick kind. Okay, that's gonna make your cider the best ever. Since we're making this for the kids tonight, we're gonna show you the everybody version.
No!
You're gonna take your apple juice, you're gonna pour it into, I like to use a crock pot because then I just put it in and I walk away and it's done. You can use real cinnamon sticks and then take them out when it's time. I just like to use ground cinnamon and stir it in. So you're gonna have 4 main seasonings plus some brown sugar. A little bit of brown sugar goes a long way. So I'm gonna do 2 little sprinklets in here. Got some nutmeg. Not as much nutmeg. Some ginger. A little ginger goes a long way. A little bit spicy. Then you've got cloves, which are also spicy. A little bit of those goes a long way as well. And this is really a preference of taste. So if you taste it and you think, I want it to be a little more spicy, put a little more ginger or a little more cloves in there. If you want it a little sweeter, you've got brown sugar. Just feel it out. Baked apples! Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, and some of you are gonna think like, ugh, green apples? No, they're so tart and bitter and I can't. Yes, you can, and you will, because I'm telling you, green apples, they're the best to bake with. Peel them, cut them, throw them in, drizzle, shake it, pop it, do it, whatever. Shake it, pop it, shake it, pop it, peel them, cut them, throw them in, whatever. Shake it, pop it, shake it, pop it, drizzle, do it. It's delicious. Whatever. I'm sweating. The rest of the family had it with homemade vanilla ice cream. Okay, they had it with vanilla ice cream. I bet that was delicious. I had it by itself. It's delicious. I regret nothing. It was so good. And I'm gonna show you how to make them. Get your apples, peel them, and slice them. Now let me show you how you want to slice them. About like this. What is that? Maybe a quarter. You don't want them too thin because you don't want them to get too squishy, melty, but you don't want them too thick because you want them to cook. Peel them, put them in the pan. Okay, so the hardest part is over. You cut and peeled all of your apples. Now you have 2 steps left. Olive oil, cinnamon, and into the oven. A wonderful treat. It's a nice sweet treat. It satisfies your cravings and it's healthy for you. Enjoy. Okay. Okay, I hope you really enjoyed the recipes today. I know they're super yummy. They're all very quick, super simple. You should have everything tools-wise that you need in your homes. Baking sheet, crock pots. That's super simple. Maybe some of you are thinking like, enough of the cooking. We get it. You like to cook. Get back to the adventures. Get back to the things. Okay, we're not gonna do cooking all of the time, but if you like the cooking and you want some more recipes and you would like to see us kind of work that into our channel, let us know. We might start another whole little playlist of it. We don't know yet. We're just kind of being flexible. That's what this is about. So if you like what we're doing here with the recipes, let us know down in the comments. Yeah, keep it going, or hey, I can do without the cooking. As always, if you have a recipe that you want us to make, just drop that down in the comment section. We'll take a look and we'll get to work on it. I already had a request for some baking, so be on the lookout. And if you super love all the things that we do and hopefully you're checking out more of our videos, make sure to click subscribe, click the bell. Am I one of those people? So that you get alerts whenever we post videos, so you can come on over and say hey and watch it. Click subscribe, give us a like, leave a comment, find us on Instagram. We're everywhere. Come and find us. Cheers.